Hi, Tanishka. How are you?
Hi, I'm great. How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine, thank you. My name's Trisha.
Yes, nice name. And hello, hello.
So tell me something about yourself. Why do you like English? And why is English important to you?
Because it's a global language and it's an important language to everyone. And when we go to other countries, we can't speak our language,
Right.
our mother tongue. We can speak our English language. We can speak English language. They also can't speak their mother tongue, and we also can't speak their mother tongue.
So it's connecting people.
Yes.
Wonderful.
And we are connecting from the other countries.
Yeah, it's
So
amazing.
great.
It's amazing. So what do you like to do to practice your English? What activities do you like to do to practice?
I do activities to practice English, like I read storybooks. Also, I daily read one story, and sometimes I just practice my own. Also, I speak with my friends in English, and I
Great.
watch videos of English also.
Perfect. That's great. And when you speak with your friends in English, what do you talk about?
We talk about our school, our what we are doing daily, like
What's
this.
what's your favorite subject at school?
At school, my favorite subject is maths and English.
Fantastic. So, what do you want to do when you are older?
I want to become a motivational English speaker.
Oh, I love that. That's what I do. That's amazing. Wonderful,
Yeah.
Tanishka. Yeah. And
Yeah.
what toys do you play with at home?
At home, I just play like chess, carom, and puzzles.
Mhm.
Also, and I do drawing also. I like to do drawing.
What do you like to draw?
I like to draw a balloon sailor or girls and a nature. I like to draw natures.
Yeah, nature is nice. I like nature a lot. Do you go for
Yeah.
a walk in nature?
Yes, I walk in the nature.
Okay. And you know that nature doesn't take the, it's nature, no the. So nature is one of those words that doesn't take the article the. Did you know that?
Okay. Yes.
Now you know that. Now you know that, right? Awesome. Very good.
Yeah.
So math and English are very important. That's amazing. So why do you think you like math?
And math, it's a little bit hard, but I like that math. In maths, there are so many addition, subtraction. We solve it. Yes, it's very easy to solve.
Do you like singing?
Yes, I like singing.
Who's your favorite artist?
My favorite artist, mm, I don't know any artist, but I draw a nice art.
I didn't understand. So
Um,
can you
Yes,
repeat?
I like singing.
Good. I like singing too, but I don't sing well.
Okay, but can you sing me one song?
I can sing the Itsy Bitsy Spider. Do you know that one?
Yes, yes,
Do you want to sing
I
it?
know that.
Do you want to sing it with me?
Okay, I will singing.
You ready? And I know the movements. Do you know the movements? Ah, well, I'm going to do the movements. Okay, you ready? One, two, three. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. There you go. Very good.
Yes. When I was small, I have this, but now I forget that.
But you remembered. You knew how to do the spider, so that's good. That's good.
Yeah.
So in your classes, do you have art class? Do you like to draw in art class?
No, I don't have any art class.
No art class. Okay.
Yes, but I
So,
do have home.
okay. Okay, that's great. Do you have a picture? Do you have a picture with you that you can show me?
No, I
No.
don't have pictures
Okay.
now. Yes, but I draw lots of pictures, but now I don't have.
Maybe later today you can send me a picture on Instagram.
Okay, I will send you.
Yeah.
But yesterday I watched your videos also.
Oh yeah? Which video did you watch?
I watched that one that a tongue twister.
Which one?
That one that short was their tongue twister.
Good.
Yes,
And-
can I?
yeah, go for it.
Rubber baby buggy bumpers. Rubber baby buggy bumpers. Rubber baby buggy bumpers.
Bravo. Very good. That one's a hard one. Do you do
Yeah.
tongue twisters sometimes at school?
No. Just now I understand you uploaded then I watch, so I just practice like this only. Rubber baby buggy bumpers.
Good job. Very good. You have a good memory. So,
Yeah.
how did you learn English so young? Did your mom and dad speak to you in English?
Yes, we speak in English.
That's
Sometime, but
sometimes, yeah. I have
yes.
I have a son and I live in Spain. I'm from the United States, but I live in Spain. So I taught my son English when the day he was born, and now he's bilingual. So it's a good way to learn a language. Absolutely.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, thank you for your time. I will send you this, okay? So you can put it on your YouTube and I can put it on my YouTube and we can share and I will tag you and all of that,
Okay.
Tanika, okay?
Okay. And what type of job do you do?
I motivate people. I help people learn English. And I also help companies with the job interview process. So when a company needs a new worker, they need them in English. So I evaluate them in the job interview.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
Can you tell about your childhood?
My childhood, I played a lot. I had a lot of creativity. I was always having fun playing with myself. And then I had my sister. She came along. We're 2.5 hours, yeah, 2.5 years apart. And I was like her kind of, I played and she played with me because I always was the creative one. And she would get bored. I never have been bored. I don't get bored.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, and I loved playing outside and I loved playing in the swimming pool.
Oh, do you know how to swim?
I do. I was on a team when I was a teenager and a young girl.
Okay, that's great. And can you tell about your daily routine?
My daily routine, I get up early, I drink some hot water, then I drink some coffee and I have my breakfast and I start really early. I have classes from 7 a.m. So I start really, really early and then I teach at companies And I also have kids and I teach kids too. So I teach all different age groups.
Okay. Nice. That's great.
Yeah, I have a good time. I'm happy.
And I watch your videos lots of on
Good.
Instagram.
That's wonderful. Thank you for watching me. If you have any suggestions, make a suggestion. Maybe something that I could help you with a video.
Okay. Okay. I see lots of videos and I understand what you are speaking and what are you teaching also and the pronunciation also.
Perfect. Well, very good. Awesome.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for your time. I have another interview now. So I will, after this interview, I will send you the link, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Take care and have a great day, okay? And keep
Have
up
a
the
great
good
day.
work.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you
Bye-bye.
for this time.
Thank you for
Catch
your
you later.
time. You're great. Thank you. Bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.